Hello. In this video today we are going to see how to use ChatGPT to write your EAT content that Google actually can rank. So now let's just go to our example of EAT implementation, which is also known as experience, expertise, your authoritativeness, and your trustworthiness. This is what Google requires to rank any blog or any content on search engine. So here I am using Web Development Houston USA as an example. So if you want to apply your EAT algorithm to this topic, here as you can see I have shared you my real life experience and adding with like over the past 8 years of development team has built custom website business across Houston. So this type of content is letting search engine know about my experiences, about my work, about the challenges and about the difficulty I found in 8 years of my career. So you have to share your real life experience with it, and if you want Google to trust your website. So here we go. This is your expertise. Here, like you have to show your real expertise in any niche, like whatever you are doing, like you are from a content writer or a digital marketer or a web developer or a web designer. You have to show your expertise. You have to show your before and current screenshots, your technologies you are working on. So here in this example, we are like working on web development. So here I have share my expertise in information architecture, UI, UX, responsive design, and technologies. I have used HTML5, CS5.3, and JavaScript as well. So now this technology are mentioned, and below here you have to show your website that you have created, your projects that you have created, either link your GitHub to it or show your work as a portfolio. Or you can also add your LinkedIn profile to get expertise results. And after that, authoritativeness, like you have to show that at what core parts of your web design or your web development you are expertise in, and you have to show your authority signal by using portfolio, by using case studies, your client testimonial, your team profile, your certification in which you are showing your experience, your expertise. Here I am working on web development in Houston, so I will be showing you all these things related to my web development and specifically working in Houston. So this is you got your authoritativeness on your website and your website. This is your trustworthiness. Now, why Google will help you rank on your trustworthiness, like what you are going to show about it. So, like if you are writing a blog and you have to show that what is your author bio, like how many years of experience you have, or how many website you have developed, or how many core problems you have solved in for your clients. You have to all mention all that in your author bio, and you can also enter your personal number, your social media accounts, your social media handles, your LinkedIn profile as well. And after that, you will be needing your client testimonial, such as your website and web inquiries, and not to mention about your page speed process or your client testimonial. Like if the client is genuinely happy with you, it will be more than happy to mention you and give you a video testimonial as well, which you can show us on your website. This is all will become all your trust signal to search engine, which will help you rank on search engine in top 3 positions. You have to also show your case studies as well, like for Houston, what big brands or what big company you have worked with, and what do you solve their problems, and what were their your like your before stats and after stats, and what did the solution you provided, like you redesign your website, your technical SEO, your faster hosting or schema markups, or how did you improve their website, their local visibility in the search engine. So here is your signal checklist. Here is business address, your phone number, your contact email, your Google message profile. This should be the most important one on all out of this checklist. And your team photo, your office photo are optional. Your client logo, your awards, your reviews, privacy policy, about us, and FAQ. These are the most crucial part of working with your website and showing your expertise to search engine. So this is about how do you implement EAT implementation and example. And here, if you want to like know how to optimize your blog for any niche, just go to your chat gpt, and here we will open a new chat gpt, and here I will be like teaching you, for example, take car washing service in uh, USA and apply it in blog content for landing pages. And you can just hit enter, and as you can see that now Google has just write me an eat landing page content. And before, like, you this is just a template. You don't have to copy paste it exactly like that. You have to enter your own expertise. For example, here you can add your before and after examples, which is your visual like pictures or videos, your types of vehicle you service, your local challenges, your cleaning methods, your custom success story. This all has to be true, and this all has to be earned by real trust. So you have to enter all of this, and in expertise you have to show your like your garage, your working machines, your chemical you are working with. So or what kind of cloth are you using, and this is all has to be real. And for auditiveness you have to show uh, your business, like how many years it has been, how many satisfied customer you have, how many technician you have, your license and insurance company, your Google reviews, your local business award, your eco-friendly certificates. So these all will add a huge credibility to your business, and you will rank in top 5 or top 3 in the top USA companies. And trustworthiness, uh, like you have to show your trustworthiness by not showing any hidden fees or hidden charges, your satisfaction guarantee, your secure online booking, your license and ensure, your privacy policy, as well as your service warranty, contact information, physical business address, and business hours as well. And after that, your recommended landing page structure, which are also just as follows, like H1, which you have to be professional car wash service in city state in which your car washing service is your primary keyword. And in just your introduction, your explain who you serve, where you operate, like why customer choose you, what makes your service different. This all has to be introduced by you in your landing pages. And after that, this will be your main highlights for your services. Then why choose a section, and our your cleaning process, like it has to be in detail. And after that, areas we have, and we have like Dallas, Palando, Fleming, Garland, and your FAQs as well. After that, in the lower section, your customer reviews and your GMB map is embedded. Your call to actions are included as well. And here is your checklist. So this is pretty much about it. So I hope you do enjoy that how to apply your EAT algorithm in your Google, in your content, your blog, or your landing page. So if you want my ChatGPT prompt, just comment down and I will send you the prompt to you. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.